Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. Just went swimming. What do you think of the new lobby? If you've been following my videos for a while, you knew I lived in Address Skyview. Check out this new lobby. What do you guys think? I like the other one a little bit better. It was more cozy. This one is more open and more beautiful. I love your thoughts. What do you think about this lobby? We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday, not much movement. Bitcoin had a little pump. We're going to jump into technicals. From the trade from yesterday, Bitcoin is already in the profits, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up, thumbs up button, and turn on that bell notification. Comment on every video. We want to grow this community, all of you talking together. And there's 8,200 of you inside the Telegram group. The link is down below. It's completely free Telegram group. And I share a lot of information in between videos in that Telegram group. So make sure you join that as well. ChatGod is now at 60. It's actually at 70,000 users now after just under 5 weeks, which is crazy. We're having a lot of interest for ChatGod. You can use it on your mobile, on WhatsApp and Telegram completely for free. The first 3 months is free at the moment. ChatGod.ai. So it takes multiple AI technologies. It's its own AI technology, and you can use it through WhatsApp. So you can talk to AI, like multiple AI APIs. It's very cool technology we've been building. In the MCRT world, Magicraft world, we've got this big Philippines tournament coming up. The prize is around 200,000 Philippine peso, or like $5,000 or $4,500. Yesterday, Sui finalized. It's not listed yet, but it will be listing soon. I got around 1,000 something Sui as well from farming. I used $60,000 worth of BNB and around 16,000 TUSD, and I farmed about 1,000 Sui, which is beautiful. I think Sui will be a very big project in the long run. And thank you for all your messages, everyone. Across Instagram, there's like 12,000 of you. Twitter, there's 70,000 plus of you, 76,000 or 73,000. Here, there's 78,000 of you. Telegram, there's 8,000 of you. Our community is massive, and that's just on my community, on our community, not the Magicraft community, which is also huge, and ChatGod community also growing massive, which is beautiful. I'm really passionate about AI right now, and I really recommend using ChatGod, understanding it, learning the technology. My AI developers are building incredible stuff at the moment. I love it. I use it every day, and a lot of big VCs are coming to us now for ChatGod, which is interesting. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. IDX up around 14%, which is beautiful. I posted that in my Telegram a few days ago. It's up around 30 or 40% since I bought it, which is nice. Coinbase was up 2%. The rest of the market quite flat. MCRT up a little bit. BNB up a little bit, but the rest of the market flat. Beyond Meat down 3%. FXS down 1%. The market pretty flat. Bitcoin, yesterday I talked about this trade and it pumped. I still think Bitcoin is bullish. I've been talking about this for a while. We've got this big inverse head and shoulders on the daily. That's one reason, very bullish. Big inverse head and shoulders. We're at a strong resistance, but that's expected at this 30K. Also, another reason I'm very bullish, as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course, volume predicts price. And we have massive volume on Bitcoin at the moment. Another reason bullish is this bull flag that I'm seeing on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, this bull flag, which is also a bullish pattern, which could take us very far, actually. Stochastic is also turning to head up on the daily. Let's go closer on the 4-hourly. Yesterday's trade already in the profits. Move your stop loss into profits. But this to me is a descending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. And usually it builds pressure like this, builds pressure, and then breaks around 70% of the move to the upside, or to the trend, to the base, the distance of the base of the triangle, which should take us to around 32,000. But I think the Elliott wave count, the third wave, takes us to 35K. So Elliott waves move in 5 impulses. You have 5 waves. So this is the 5 waves impulse wave. So you have the first impulse wave, then you have the correction, then you have the third impulse wave, which is usually the biggest wave. So that's why I think we can still go to 35K. Then you have the correction. Then you have the 5th and final impulse wave, and then you have an A, B, C correction. Usually that's how Elliott waves work. That's how you count them. So in my opinion, we're still on the third wave, taking us to 35K. Let's go closer on the 4-hourly. Stochastic is heading up, volume coming in, trade from yesterday in the profit. I would still take the same trade setup, or you can even this is the trade setup we took yesterday. If you haven't taken a trade yet, we're already in the profits. If you haven't taken a trade, I would take the trade from here. Some pullback, some spooky news that will set it down onto where it should go, which is in this descending triangle. So I would expect Bitcoin to exactly go to 27,107. Then I would go long there. And this is the trade I would take, which is a nice risk to reward, 16.2 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $485 to make $7,871 with no leverage. So you risk $485 to make $7,871 with no leverage per Bitcoin. With 10x leverage, it will be $78,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, it's $780,000 of profits, so almost $1 million of profits. That's the trade I would take, but I never really use more than 20x leverage. And until you're a professional trader, I would never use more than 9x leverage or even less. Until you take the crypto master course, until you learn how to trade, until you learn how to read charts, and don't go more than 9x leverage or even more than 3x leverage until you've taken the course, you've learned and you've studied for more than 1 year and you're already profitable. If you're doing more than 9x leverage before you've taken the courses, before you've learned, before you're profitable, you're just gambling, and most likely you will lose your money. So make sure you study, make sure you don't use more than 3x leverage, 9 max when you're a good trader. After you're a pro trader, then you can use more than 9. But even me, I use maximum 9x leverage. Not maximum, usually 9x leverage, sometimes 20x leverage. If the trade is a breakout trade, because I've been trading for 21 years, then I can go up to like 20 to 50x leverage, but it's very rare that I do those trades. So if you're using more than 3x leverage and you haven't taken the crypto master course, which is in the link down below, or you haven't been trading for more than 1 year and profitable, if you're using more than 3x leverage, you're just gambling. So understand that. My goal is to make sure you guys are profitable. I want you to be profitable. I don't want you to just trade and gamble and lose your money. I want you to learn about crypto, learn about Bitcoin technology, learn about trading and investing, and learn and understand. And that's why I've been teaching more than 10,000 students, 8,000 of you plus in my Telegram, more than 10,000 of you taking my courses. I want you to learn and become financial abundant. My goal is a financial abundance for all and to bring people into crypto, the new financial system, early. And if you've been following my videos for 3.5 years, you know that I've been doing this for 3.5 years. Let's jump back into the technicals now. So we're going back in, and Bitcoin, this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin. Let's go closer. Hourly stochastic is coming down, so I do expect a little bit of pullback. 15 minutes stochastic is coming up. Yeah, so that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, this trade setup. That's the trade, and I'll share this inside the Telegram as well. So sometimes I forget to share the trades because then I start uploading the video. That's the trade. So it opens at 27,044, the trade. Stop loss 26,621 and take profit 34,929. That's on Bitcoin. Now let's go into Ethereum. And if you want to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, under the video, in the description, pin comment of this video, under the video, go down below, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get 500 likes on this video, everyone. And turn on that bell notification so you're notified of every video. And then go down below, you can sign up to Bybit using that link. You can get $30,000 US worth of bonuses. And Bybit is, in my opinion, the best exchange for trading. And I use this exchange for trading, and I really like it for trading more than Binance, more than anyone else. And in my opinion, it's the safest and the best exchange for trading. You can take the crypto master course as well to learn how to do TA, how to trade, how to set everything up. And you can join that free Telegram group where you can learn all of this. Now I'm going to show you where I'm going to open a trade on Ethereum now. I'll check where Ethereum trade will open. Now we're going into Ethereum 1862. Big inverse. I'm still seeing that head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum. Still seeing that clear head and shoulders. You see it? Shoulder, head, shoulder, which usually breaks the downside, which would have a $1,400 target. But it's still on that fourth wave, the third impulse wave finalized. We should be heading up into the fifth wave, but the fifth wave is usually less than the third wave. So I think 2,200, my original target, will be the target for Ethereum. That was my original target a long time ago, if you remember, when we opened it back at like 1,000 or something like this. Where I'd open a trade on Bitcoin. Ethereum is still this trade here. I'm going to set this trade up for Ethereum in my Bybit. So again, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link, and that will give you this trading account. In this account, I have my Bitcoin trade is $18,183 in the profits, 243%, 2.98 Bitcoin trade. That's on my leverage trade. My account has $284,000 in it, this account. In here, I've got 4.2 Bitcoin, $121,000. I've got $38,000 of MCRT up a bit today. I've got $21,000 of TON. I've got 19,900 USDT, 19,000 FXS, and 10,800 Uniswap, 3,200 Ethereum. Now I had a trade set up on BNB, which still hasn't activated, but I'm going to set up now a trade on Ethereum. So I'm going to set my trade on Ethereum USDT. This is how you read my trades if you haven't taken the course yet, but I recommend taking the course to really understand what I'm doing. This is the trade setup. Actually, let's see, 4 hourly heading up, daily oversold, hourly, yeah, this is a nice, could actually go long from here, but I would set this long where I already set this trade. So I'm going to open the trade at 1697. So this gray line is where I open the trade, 1697. This red line is where the stop loss automatically closes the trade if the trade goes against me. And this green line is where I take the profits automatically. So I set my trades even before I start. So I'm going to open the trade at 1697, stop loss at 1615. 1697. So I order price 1697. That's where the trade will open. I'm going to do a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage because that will be after it dips. So I'm going to try and catch the bounce on this trade. I'm going to set take profit at 2281, stop loss 1615. 2281, 1615. 1615. So I'm risking $1,000 to make $7,000, $7,200, which is beautiful. Confirm, and I'm going to open. It's a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage. Open long, confirm. So that trade will open at 1697. It's a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage, so it's $20,000 trade. It's isolated. Always use isolated, never use cross. Its take profit is 2,281. Stop loss is 1615. Confirm. That trade is now set and ready to go, and it will automatically open. It will automatically take profit, or it will automatically hit the stop loss and close. The trade is set from the very beginning, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to trade, under the video using that link down below, so go down below, sign up to Bybit to trade. That's my Ethereum trade. This was the SUI. So if you've been following my videos, I was farming SUI on Binance. I got 17 SUI, 41 SUI, 12 SUI, 31 SUI, 218 SUI, 68 SUI. So I got around 700 SUI all up from farming, which is beautiful. ChatGod is now at from 0 to 66,000 users in about 6 weeks, which is amazing. ChatGod is becoming a trend, become a part of the ChatGod community. We've got 66,000 users, 24-hour, 14,000 users, 24-hour message, 125,000 messages chatted on ChatGod. 24-hour growth is 5,400 users since we launched, which is crazy. That's why VCs are like just going crazy for us right now. Magicraft, we have an open league, Philippines league. The prize will be 200,000 PHP. For MCRT, you can actually play MCRT on Android, PC, and iOS, and you can play for money. So you can actually play for MCRT, which can be converted to Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. So you can play games for money now. Magicraft.io, $MCRT. Check it out. May 13th is the start of that competition. Magicraft's not just an idea. The game is ready to be downloaded, different stores, playable on iOS, Android, PC, and distributing real money, MCRT, inside an automatic lobby system through smart contracts. Exactly summed up beautifully. There's a new Asian server coming for that Philippines tournament, which is going to be awesome. We have Philippine gaming leagues now that are starting to support and play, backed by Magicraft. This is our esports teams. That was SUI on Binance. The farming is now finished. Magicraft is live on Google Play, etc. This is like example of ChatGod. So chatgod.ai, you can get it for free on WhatsApp and Telegram. Just go to chatgod.ai. I sent a video link, my video, and ChatGod just summarizes exactly what I say in my video. The speaker predicted the inverse head and shoulder. It understands everything. It's incredible technology. I also bought IOTA a few days ago at 20 cents. It's still around the same price. I like IOTA. You have to do your own due diligence, etc. Also, this is important. Anyone reading this, if you were speaking to me in private messages, it's 100% a fake scammer account and not me. I will never ask you to send me money. I will never message you and ask you for anything. You can. These are just examples of how many fake accounts are scamming people, everyone. And my team is non-stop deleting them and reporting them. So be very careful. Again, I will never ask you to send me money or anything like this. How a technical analyst sees lightning. So that's update, and don't forget, join that free Telegram, 8,241 members, and I just share information in here. I share trades, I share my videos, I share that I bought IDEX a few days ago, which is up around 30%. I shared SUI. There's just information I'm sharing, and these are some of your gains inside this Telegram. I always ask you guys what your gains are. Look at some of the students' gains, 45% gains. You can just see 97%, 300% profits, 174%, 400. These are some of the students' gains in the last few, like the last week, or I asked this message. These are some of the students' gains, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's my trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.